Hello friends, welcome back to my famous YouTube channel to watch more videos on machine learning using Python. Up till now we have gone through many videos on machine learning such as using FAIR library in Python, deface library in Python, hand tracking using Python, speech recognition using Python, and many more videos on machine learning. Our latest video was drowsiness detection using Python and facial expression emotion detection using webcam. Today's video is really interesting and innovative. For that, let us go through the Python file first. All these lines statement are for importing the required libraries. The next statement, app is equal to arg parse app.add help argsp parse is used for handle command line argument. Then next statement, down ILD link model path, it is for downloading the pre-trained model. Then next statement, image is equal to cv2.read is to read the input image command line. The next statement, model is equal to load underscore model, it is used for loading the predefined model. The next statement, face detection of man and these images detection. The next statement, for loop idx comma f in look for detected face. The next statement, start x start y axis get corner points of the face rectangle. Then next statement, cv2.rectangle to draw the rectangle on the image. Then next statement, face crop is equal to cv2 resize crop the detected face. The next statement, conf is equal to model dot predict, it is used for apply gender detection, print and classes. Next statement, it is used for image. Then detect the gender image output and cv2.wait key, wait until user press any key, the gender detection image output. Then close all the window. Now I will execute the program. Yes, images of Saurabh, we will detect gender. Yes, it has been detected, gender is male. Now I will take the image of female. Yes, it is detecting female also. So I have successfully done with detect gender using Python. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.